Sound Boom, the world's first wireless speaker that uses reverse charging and battery sharing technology. It can work and play music anywhere through your phone's reverse charging function. It perfectly combines lightweight, futuristic design and superior sound quality. With Sound Boom, you can enjoy the moments with friends and listen to your favorite songs. While users of Bluetooth speakers are still wasting their time trying to connect their device or forgot to recharge its battery. Instant Connection feature allows you to play music from another phone in a few seconds. You can even take it with you to the bathroom since it has a waterproof design.